from Houston, Texas.
Tonight we're going to TNG, the Night Game Houston. It is a vampire-themed rave, so we are vampire-themed out. I get to play some music from midnight to 3 in the morning, so it's gonna be late night vibes. We got a lot of friends going, which I'm really excited to see.
Got this today.
She's excited about it.
Along with this whole outfit.
You look good.
Thank you. I'm so proud. But yeah, honestly, we have so many friends coming tonight. It's our first time here. The DJ/manager, Sweet T. I hope that you guys can meet her tonight. I'm so thrilled because she's so sweet, like her name. And she's also a DJ. So she's going to be playing the first half and playing the second half. And I'm so excited to see all of our friends. And we're going to take a little tour of the club, so we get to show you that as well. And that's exciting. So yeah.
We're going to go get some food.
It's Life of Spice! That's what I'm talking about, you guys. Y'all ready to party? Let's do this shit. Come on.
DJ Life of Spice is setting up right now. Say hi. I don't know where you are. Hi, we're at the Night Game in Houston. This is the infamous Sweet T that you probably saw over TikTok, and they're both gonna be DJing tonight.
We're looking forward to
We're
it.
excited.
It's gonna be hot, guys.
Looks amazing in here. We're stoked.
So excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you fucking ready for a Life of Spice? I am. We've been waiting for this shit for months. If y'all on live by now, you got to be right now, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, Life of Spice now, club. We got a
Damn, son, where'd you find this?